this is the capstone event showcase where the entire department, both the Ag Systems Management and the Biological Agriculture Engineering students, showcase their projects. This is where the department celebrates these projects, invite all of the sponsors, all of the faculty advisors that has worked with the students for the entire year. The event is judged by judges, volunteers to evaluate these projects. The one thing that unique about our experience in the department with these capstone projects is the community service experience. So these projects are inspired by the community. We work hard in soliciting projects that have connection with the community. Students are working with the members of that community to design solutions that are workable for them. So we have projects that are domestic here with several of the industry as well as communities in Texas. We've got half of our projects actually with what we call a global design team, which are communities abroad. The project that has highlighted a few minutes ago is in Costa Rica, working with a small community with the Soletis Center as a sponsor to design a wastewater facility for that community, where the students work for a full year, collect the data with the assistance and facilitation of the sponsor, and then they design a solution that meets the requirement and the constraint for that specific community. So there's a service component to these projects. There's a global dimension to these projects, and our hope is that, in fact, this is not a hope, but we make this a reality, where half of our projects are global projects. This allows 50% of our students to have that global experience, which I think is very, very important. Students have different schedules traveling to their host country. So we've got students who went to Cuenca in Ecuador. We've got students who went to working with the local cocoa farmer in Hawaii. We have students who have been working with Mexico, with the WWF local Mexico branch, working with schools there to help them design an irrigation system. So these projects have a wide range of expertise, from environmental water resources to machine design to processing. We have a project in Kenya, for example, that designed the entire meat processing facility at a community in Kenya. So we have a variety of opportunities, both in terms of thematic, but as well as the regional breadth of this project that allows students to work with the local community towards a individualized design activity. So it's a celebration at the end of the full year of hard work between the students, the sponsor, and the faculty advisors to come to this point.
So one of the projects that we were focused on was a wastewater treatment system that was implemented in a rural community of San Juan of Peñasquaquis, Costa Rica. We were tasked with implementing a system that was sustainable and also completely gravity fed. The system served 110 community members and treated 500 gallons of water per day. We were really excited because we were able to implement a process that we know very well, which is a biological wastewater treatment process that involved a series of facultative lagoons and polishing lagoons. So today we're having our senior BAN capstone design program, and so we're showcasing all of our projects that we have worked on all year. We have a 2-semester capstone where we learn about project management and engineering, economics, and safety. And then in the spring, we work on projects that are previously assigned to us and develop systems and solutions and project deliverables that are detailed in a report that we give to our sponsors at the end of the semester.
So the 2 projects that we're working with were identified by our community partners, which we have a long-term relationship with our community partners for the last 2 years, and we continue to work with them over the next several years. And one of which was in need of an air quality monitoring system on the east end of Houston. And on the south side, there was a need for dealing with some of the flood issues in the community. So the students were able to tackle those problems and give great prioritized answers and solutions to those problems.